piss.
Previously on Cudgle, they became homeless because they didn't pay rent for like forever. Okay, now back to the video.
Man, being homeless is boring. I can't shitpost on the internet and anonymously make people feel bad about themselves anymore. Also, I have no money for food and I might starve to death. Oh my god, Moon Man, is that you? Moon Man, it's me, Robert. Cudgle and I were evicted from our house because we didn't pay rent for almost a year, and now we're homeless. Moon Man, you have to help us. We have nowhere to go. Or better yet, help me, and leave Cudgle to be homeless. I think that would be really funny. Please?
Yuck.
Looks like we're gonna have to think of a way out of this on our own. It'll be tough, but there has to be some way to get out of this. Wait, I have an idea. Cudgle, I know how we can get our house back.
Yeah, what? What's up?
Jesus, what's wrong with you? You look like shit.
Well, I figure if I'm gonna be homeless, I'm gonna fully devote to the homeless lifestyle. As a result, I've become addicted to almost every drug on the market. My favorite one so far is Crocodile, because it's 10 times as powerful as morphine, and I like the added thrill of my limbs falling off at any moment.
We've been homeless for a single hour. When did you do all this?
I work fast.
I've also been right next to you the entire time. When did you get these drugs?
Dude, you sold me like half of them.
Oh yeah. Well, where'd you get the other half of them?
Moonman. Oh, by the way, dude.
No problem.
Well, anyway, I thought of an idea to become not homeless.
Nah, dude. You gotta wait. I gotta light this.
You're smoking a pine cone.
Yeah, dude, it's some good shit.
Moon Man sold you a pine cone and you think it's drugs.
Well, if it's not drugs, how do you explain my memory loss, gangrenous symptoms, and impaired concentration?
That's probably the crocodile.
Oh yeah, so what's your plan?
We need money to pay rent, right?
Yeah.
Well, what if you made a custom amiibo video to get YouTube revenue?
That was literally our plan last video, but hey, second time's a charm.
Now we just need to think of what amiibo to make. Any ideas?
Mario pissing.
What?
Mario pissing.
What the hell is that?
It's Mario, but he's pissing.
I figured.
Alright, here. I'll show you. The full video will be in the description.
Time to take a piss. What the hell are you doing? I'm taking a piss.
Why do you want to make an amiibo of that?
Look, man, I can barely think straight right now, so the only thoughts that inhabit my mind currently are Mario pissing.
Whatever. Get to it.
Alright, sure. Just let me finish this off. Hello, everybody. It's me, Cudgle. Robert and I are homeless, so we need to make a little bit of money so that we can become home full. To do that, I'm gonna make a custom amiibo. Today we'll be making Mario pissing into a custom amiibo. This is a video that's intrigued me for a very long time, and I feel it deserves to be immortalized in clay. Look, obviously this isn't gonna be one of those high intellect, high skill sculptures, because the source material we're going off of looks like this.
Piss.
But I feel that this video somehow needs to be celebrated. I want to honor this video for what it's done for me in my life. So without any further ado, let's make a Mario pissing custom. Wait a minute, Robert, there's an issue here.
What?
Since we're homeless, I don't have all my clay stuff. It's inside Candy Corn's house.
Oh yeah. I guess we're boned.
Hold on. I have an idea. Candy Corn plush. I will give you 1 pine cone if in exchange you let me use my studio for 1 hour. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate it very much. There you go. Yeah, you enjoy that. Yeah. We'll be using a Mario amiibo for this custom. All I plan on using from the original amiibo is the NFC chip inside. The rest will be used for something at a later date. I won't lie, this is going to be a super easy and really weird sculpt to make since we're intentionally making it look terrible. I want to make the entire scene of the video, including the ground and the sky, so I made a brownish slab for the ground and a blue rectangle for the sky. I also put a cloud on the background piece. We can go ahead and bake those two and glue them together. Let's start with the Goomba. Just a brown cone with a pale yellow body, brown feet, teeth, and eyes. Mario himself is just as easy, consisting of only basic legs, a red cylinder for the body, and a weird head. Of course, we cannot forget the piss, but we also need to censor Mario's pissing bits. The piss looks a little weird here, but I ended up just making it a basic line later. Once everything's baked, it's time to glue everything on. I made a second layer to the base so that the NFC chip would be protected. It doesn't look as good, but it's definitely worth doing so that the paper chip doesn't get ruined. And there we have it, guys, a Mario pissing custom amiibo. Make sure to check out my social media on the screen, my Etsy for commissions, my website, Cudgle.com, for other videos, comics, and more. Subscribe if you like absolute garbage similar to this. Have a piss-tastic day, and I will see you guys later. Alright, there we go. Video's uploaded.
Now we just wait for the revenue, right?
Yeah, but I don't know, man. We might be demonetized because I've been talking about drugs this entire video.
Hey, here's your revenue.
So you're cool with all the inappropriate drug references and swear words in this video so far?
Look, dude, sometimes I just don't give a shit.
Wow, YouTube is a quality platform. Alright, got the revenue.
Okay, give it to Candy Corn Plush so that we can't have a house again.
Well, what if I don't want to?
What?
What if I don't want to use this money to pay back our rent? You know, I could buy a shit ton of crocodile and pine cones with this.
Cudgle, stop being retarded. Most YouTubers are going to be homeless drug addicts in about 10 years anyway. You might as well just wait until then to start letting your life go downhill.
Shut up, Robert. Let me think. So, a home or crocodile and pine cones?
This is stupid. I'm taking this.
Aw.
Get some rehab, you filthy junkie. Here's your cash, you dingus. We're living here again. Man, as much as being homeless sucked, I'm gonna miss it. It was a fun experience.
Yes, it was. And now that we're not homeless anymore, I solemnly swear that I won't ever take hardcore illicit Russian drugs ever again.
I really don't give a shit either way. Anyway, I'm out of here. It's shitposting time.
Man, I love crocodile.
Last night in the D, let me tell you how I made her leave with me. Conversation and